Hey guys, how are you all? So I was thinking last night and then again this morning about how much I was missing you guys asking me questions and kind of, just chit chat, chit chat, chit chat. So I thought, wonder how many students are missing hearing their teachers just ramble. Not a lecture, just, blah, 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 blah. So, if you're missing your teacher rambling, have we got a show for you? Oh, wait, that's Veggie Tales. Okay, so really, I'm just going to ramble. So, yesterday I messed up, like, a lot. Anybody else feel like they mess up all the time? It's okay. It's okay to share that with other people. You don't have to keep it a secret. So I made an assignment for you guys yesterday, and it was completely done wrong in Google Classroom. And probably about 30 or so kids had already done it, and I'm still working on figuring those out. So some of you guys have been emailing me. Got a couple of kids from my sixth grade who helped, and my son, and I think we got it all figured out, and everybody else has been working on the assignment correctly, but it was just so. Anyways, I totally messed up. And then I had some kids helping me yesterday on the phone, and I was calling them back, and they had questions, and I was just chit-chatting. And I'm like, hey, this is Miss Roberts. How are you? And I was like, hey, this is Brandy. How are you? I mean, Miss Roberts. I didn't mean to say that, but look, my name really is Brandy. See, it's on my shirt, Brandy. So sometimes I forget, and you didn't see them, and I was like, oh, look, that's Disney, happiest place on earth. Everybody keeps saying, when is Disney going to open again? I don't know. Disney's going to open again. I don't know when school's going to. I don't know when it's going to open again. It's a really great question. It is a happy place. I've got it on my shirt. My name's Brandy. Anyways, that was rambling once again. So who knows when it's going to? Here's the thing that I wanted to ramble about. So, if you mess up, and we all do. Maybe yelled at my kids yesterday too. I don't know. I don't have you guys to yell at now, so just yell at them instead. Anybody's parents been yelling at them? Maybe you're even. It's not even anything you did. Maybe like your brother or sister did something, or maybe the dog got in the trash and you just happened to walk in the room at the wrong time, and you're like, "Ooh, didn't even do anything. How can I get out of the room?" Everybody's a little edgy right now, so here's the public service announcement. This is the rambling part. This is where we cross from like, hey, I'm just off topic to your public service announcement for the day. If you feel frustrated about something, or if you mess up, you have to say, hey, I messed up, and that's okay. Everybody does. But if you are feeling upset, or if you did mess up, or basically, here's the PSA part. You need to ask for help. So I'm very thankful to my students yesterday who helped me when I didn't know how to do something. I'm very thankful that my son helped me yesterday when I didn't know how to do something. I have loved chatting with those of you, email, Google Classroom, telephone calls, even few texts when you don't know how to do something. But if you're sitting at home and you don't know how to do something, ask for help. It's okay to do that. So it's okay to say that you did something wrong. It's okay that you did something wrong. You just have to figure out how to fix it. So, I miss seeing you guys. I hope you've liked me rambling. Now, here's the thing with this ramble. Normally, when I ramble in class, you guys ask me more questions and try to get me to keep rambling. Or sometimes you even try to start the ramble by getting me off topic. Not that you would ever do that, but sometimes, So I need to know what you want me to ramble about because I plan on rambling some more. So in Google Classroom, give me some comments about what you miss most about rambling. It's not an assignment. You don't have to do that. It's just, you don't even have to watch it. You just do whatever. So I just wanted to say I miss you. And then it's okay to ask for help if you need it. So, bye guys.